While people begin to process the tragedy in Texas, it's important for parents to keep an eye on their children's mental health.
Local psychologists encouraging parents to talk to their kids about the shooting. 10 News reporter Riley Phillips continues our team coverage after speaking with a local psychologist. Riley.
Brooke and John, psychologists I spoke with, say we are in a mental health crisis, and they say it's time to start being proactive.
It really is at this point on the adults to address it.
A mental health reckoning across the country. Alana Bernstein, an assistant professor of school psychology at the University of Dayton, says the number of incidents of mental health difficulties among children was increasing even before the pandemic, and the pandemic only worsened the problem.
With events like what happened in Uvalde, it can tend to kind of resurface some of that for kids that are already tending to struggle mental health wise.
Bernstein says it's crucial for kids to learn coping skills early in life so they're able to manage internal stress.
The earlier that we can give them the tools and the language to do that, then the more likely we are to prevent future worsening of mental health problems.
She says a good first step is to keep an open line of communication and normalize feelings of sadness or anxiousness.
They assume they're the only ones that's struggling with this. And so we can normalize it and say sometimes we go through situations and this is what happens and we might not feel like ourselves.
Bernstein also recommends paying attention to signs that your child might be struggling. This could be changes in patterns of eating or sleeping or a change in not wanting to go to school.
It might come out, in withdrawal, kind of rapid mood swings, irritability, kids that are clearly overly sensitive or having tantrums or kind of that explosive behaviors or sadness.
But Bernstein also points out the need to be proactive about mental health, calling on the resources available for parents through schools and other organizations. And she emphasizes the need for a key emotion.
Empathy, I think, is a big missing piece, and that is something that we can teach. We can model empathy to our kids and teach empathy directly. And I think some of those are the ways that we kind of move forward.
And Bernstein also stresses parents should not be ashamed of reaching out to a therapist or a counselor to talk to their kids. She says there are resources available in schools throughout the region to help children through whatever they might be struggling with. Live in the studio, Riley Phillips, 5 on 2.